Jordi. Jordi? What's wrong, Jordi?
50 meters, go left on the roundabout, first exit.
Hello, Nononso.
Thinking what I should order.
Jordi, do you like the beach? You didn't like the beach? You didn't like the beach? You didn't like the beach? Do you like the beach? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
You like the beach, baby? You're so red. You're like a tomato.
My
Yeah.
face?
Yes, you are.
Maybe I got some.
Yeah, it's okay. Now we're gonna have Mexican food. So, ooh, some good burritos. All right. So the restaurant we are going to is called Gonzalez and Co. Mexican Grill. It's very good. The first time we went there, the food was awesome. Like, I think we loved it. Hola, ¿qué tal? Hola, ¿qué tal? Buenas. I don't know, like, let me see. The menu right here.
Some kind of pasta, fajita.
The what?
Fajita.
Taquita. Okay. So here it is.
Very hot.
It's just like Chipotle's, but I think Chipotle's is a little bit bigger, right? Yeah, this is just like, I don't know. Yeah. And that's what my nephew ordered. Let me see. It looks so delicious. Very good, very good.
And cheese.
Jordi, so what? Do you like it? Do you try it? Do you like it? Which one do you like the most?
But he's starting with the first one yet.
I don't know.
Ah, okay. They look good. Can I have a bite? Have a little bit. Ooh. Ooh. Try a little bit. Yeah? It's so good, eh? Oh my god. So good.
I'll try that next time.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna try that. But my burrito is also very good. Alright. Okay guys, we have to chin chin. Wait. Jordi. To a beautiful and fun day with my family. Chan. Oh. Okay Jordi, you've tried the 3 quesadillas. Which one do you like the most? There's chicken, beef, and what is the and pork? Beef? Oh, okay. Ternera. Okay. How do you like your burrito?
Mine is fajita.
Fajita, I'm sorry. What's the difference between fajita, right? Fajita.
It
Fajita.
has more veggies.
Oh, really? Oh, okay. So you like that? Yeah, I know. So how do you like it?
Good. That's why I didn't put guacamole.
Oh, okay.
We have more.
Well, my burrito was great. I finished it in
10 minutes.
or less
5 minutes.
5 minutes because I was so hungry. I drove for so long and I was very hungry. Oh god, this is the 3rd time I'm trying to make this video. So the footage you just saw was from 2 weeks ago. We went to the beach and we had a nice time there. Like, it was a lot of fun. The kid you saw was my nephew. Sometimes I like to take him with us on our trips, and after that we went to the Mexican food. That was delicious. I think that's the only store there, so I highly recommend. So I highly recommend you to go there because it's very good, very, very good. The sauce they have there, it's also super, super good. And I asked them what type of sauce, if that's like a handmade sauce they have in the restaurant, and they say I can easily find it in any supermarket, and I did. It's in the kitchen. I'm just not gonna waste my time to bring it here, but it's very good. I love it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. For the past 2 weeks we have been a little bit busy. Also it has been very one, it has been very hot. Second, it has been a little bit a lot, to be honest with you. You know what, there are things that I wanna share with you, but it will take a long time, so I think I will make a separate video, and I will have my wife Nozomi with me, and I'm gonna have her here with me talking about many things that we have in mind. And yeah, because I don't know, like I think you gotta wait. I really can't wait to tell you, because this is something I have to get it off of my chest, you know what I mean? But yeah, so anyway, I'm very sorry that was a very short video, but I hope you liked it. I know I'm trying to like make our videos more fun and more enjoyable, and also like make really cool vlogs, you know, with like, because we kind of have to like, well, I'm not really thinking about having like doing YouTube full time, not at all, but at the same time I feel like I like creating things, creating videos, and that's what I'm about. And but it's a little bit difficult at this moment, so, and the camera is not focusing on me, god damn it. Yeah, like this, there's this little frame here. Okay, anyway, okay guys, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed just a little bit, like this tiny bit, our vlogs, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and you know, there's this, like, how do you call this notification, like the notification, right? Yeah, so you can know when we are posting a new video. Okay, and focus again, god damn it. Okay, there you go. Oh, this camera has been with us for a long time. I think over 4 years. It's about to buy a new one, but no money. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Oh, almost forgot. I noticed that we have a few more subscribers. Welcome. Thank you for subscribing, and I hope you enjoy our videos. So please be patient, because we don't really do, like I said before, we are not doing YouTube full time. We barely make videos, just when we feel like it. And yeah, but thank you for subscribing, and yeah, thank you. All right.